Hi all, this video is all about a short trip to Vargal temple on the occasion of my daughter Manognesri's Aksharabhyasam. So we went on Sri Panchami, which was on Feb 16th. So Vargal Sri Gnana Saraswati temple is on the Siddipet highway road. It's around 47 kilometers from Hyderabad. We went by car, so we started around 6:30 a.m. From RTC Crossroad and reached the temple in an hour. So we were there by 7:30. We went via Secunderabad, Tirumalgiri, Alwal, Shamirpet road. We need to take a left after the Gauraram village, which takes us to the temple. Since it was Sri Panchami, it was like all the vehicles on the road were going towards the temple, and we were really panicked looking at the crowd. So there was a lot of greenery on the either side of the road. The site was really beautiful in the very early morning. There is a Venugopal Swami temple on the route, but unfortunately we could not visit due to time constraint, because we kind of had 5 kids with us, and we were in a hurry looking at the crowd, and before we even started we were just waiting for things to get done. So as you see, the temple is located on a tiny hill, so we parked the vehicle and walked up to the temple. So talking about the temple, it's said to be the brainchild of Sri Yamavaram Chandrasekhara Sharma. He was a businessman, astrologer, Vastu expert, and an ardent Saraswati Devi devoter. So it was his idea and vision which has led to the construction of this particular temple. So the foundation was laid sometime in 1982. And right now this temple is being maintained by the Shankar Mutt Trust. So there are multiple temples in the vicinity other than the main Saraswati temple. So there is a Shiva temple, there is a Shanishwara temple, there is a Veda Pathashala which is run in the premises, and it is the best time to visit this temple is on the Sri Panchami and on the Shani Trayodashi. There is a free meal program run um, throughout the year as part of the Nityannadanam. So in the middle of huge crowd, chaos, and eager parents, the program was very well done with lot of devotion. So there was a lot of construction work going on in the premises. We actually could not see the temple properly because there was a huge construction going in front of the main entrance of the temple. So I felt this program could have been organized a bit better, but maybe because of this construction there was a lot of diversion in the actual parts which were to be taken, but then it's okay. So there were around 2 to 3 purohits who were using mics and chanting all the mantras. So they did the Vinayak Puja first, then followed by the Saraswati Puja. Then one of the Purohit personally came to each child, made the child sit in his lap and wrote the Panchakshari mantra, which is Om Namah Shivaya. And this program overall took 30 to 45 minutes. So and the there is a ticket for Aksharabhyasam we need to buy, and temple did provide the basic stuff which is needed. I happened to visit the temple website a day before, so I knew what I needed to take for this particular puja, so I was prepared. But then there were multiple shops in the premises who were selling whatever stuff needed, all the stationery. We distribute books, slates, and chalk on this day, so all those were available, so not an issue. No preparation is as such needed for this, right? So So by the time we were done with the puja, the Annadana program also started. We just took the prasad because we happened to get our food from home, so we really did not enjoy the temple food this time. But next time we'll definitely give it a try. Um, and then we were done with the puja, right? So we were actually searching for a good place to eat something. We had not eaten anything since morning, so kids were hungry, everyone was hungry, and just waiting to sit somewhere and eat. So on the way back to the main highway, on the left side we found a new park. So I mean, we were really lucky to get to that park. So the caretaker gave me the keys as if she was waiting for us to come, right? So we ate there, spent good 2 to 3 hours, and reached home again by 5 or so. So yeah, that's about the small work trip. Thanks for listening.